Welcome to the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed up 22 points. In news that moved the markets, Pfizer made an acquisition bid for Array valued at $10.6 billion. Alibaba filed for a share split that would allow the company to issue shares at a lower share price to raise money. In crypto news, Ripple entered a partnership with MoneyGram said to be worth $50 million, and Facebook's cryptocurrency received backing from Visa, Uber, and PayPal. On Tuesday, the Dow closed up 353 points. Reasons for the bull rally came from the president, who tweeted that trade talks with China were back on. Investors also felt optimistic about the upcoming Fed meeting. Google also made the news on Tuesday. The company announced it would pledge $1 billion to build housing in the San Francisco Bay Area. In earnings news, Adobe beat EPS estimates by 5 cents and revenue estimates by $40 million. And La-Z-Boy missed revenue estimates by $30 million and EPS estimates by 58 cents. On Wednesday, the Dow closed up 38 points. The market stayed bullish after the Fed chose to hold rates at their current levels. Most of Wednesday's trading revolved around the Fed announcement. A week after Mattel announced that they rejected an offer from toy maker MGA, MGA responded by calling Mattel insolvent and unsalvageable. In earnings news, Oracle beat EPS estimates by 18 cents and revenue estimates by $210 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed up 249 points. Investors were still feeling good about the Fed's decision to leave rates as they are. The rally in stocks caused the S&P 500 to hit an all-time high. Thursday saw Slack become a public company. Slack's public debut was a hit. The stock closed up 48% from its offering price. In earnings news on Thursday, Kroger beat EPS estimates by a penny and revenue of $37 billion was in line with analyst estimates. Carnival Cruise Lines beat EPS estimates by 5 cents and revenue estimates by $350 million. And Darden Restaurants beat EPS estimates by 3 cents but missed on revenue by $10 million. On Friday, the Dow closed down 34 points. The markets were unable to hold on to midday gains. The markets were a bit shaky as tensions between the US and Iran continued to escalate. In earnings news for Friday, Canopy Growth Corp stock declined after the company reported missing EPS estimates by 66 cents Canadian, but beating revenue by $410,000 Canadian. The company blamed the quarter's numbers on a decline in recreational sales. CarMax beat EPS estimates by 10 cents and beat revenue estimates by $200 million. Overall, for the week, the Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ were all up. In crypto news, Bitcoin continued to rally and was closing in on $10,000. Bitcoin was trading at $9,918.40 at the time of this recording. Ethereum was trading at $292.30. Litecoin was trading at $137.16, and Ripple was trading at 44 cents. Crude oil closed up on the week at $57.66 per barrel. The rising tensions between the US and Iran was the catalyst for the rise in oil prices. A big winner for the week was Overstock.com, OSTK, which gained 22% on the week. A big loser for the week was Anaptys Bio Incorporated, ANAB, which lost 15% of its value on the week. A weekly reminder that our latest quarterly newsletter is available at SevilleReport.com. If you're new to investing and need a place to start, or you're an experienced investor who just needs a few investment ideas, we suggest you check it out. Also, a link to sign up for our weekend article In Focus is in the description below. Before you make a buy or sell decision, definitely check out our In Focus article. Thanks again for checking out this week's Civil Report Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.